Max, we're back. I'm gonna keep building here. So I already put these windows together, and they're pointing out this way, so that's how you have to put them in there. It's like this, so that it swings out that way. Yeah, they don't have the vein. Lego doesn't have what they call the vein pane, where it has 3 of those and then they open up. They can't really do that because it's kind of difficult to do in that kind of plastic. But hey, you know, they do a pretty good job. All right, so I need to put this one here. I'm going to straighten this out a little. There we go. And this goes here. Okay. Gonna walk this on here because it's being a real pain. There we go. Oh, come on. Get on there. You can do it. Okay. Start there. Move through here. There we go. Okay. And then see, it's like that. And then these windows open to let in a little air. And then this piece, which is kind of odd shaped, goes here. So we're going to do like we did on one of the other floors on the other building. Okay, I've got these, and I've got to put them together a certain way. So I'm going to build 3 of them with them straight, like this. I'm going to move the camera a little bit. Got a little bit out of whack there. Put this down here so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to put these together like this. I'm going to make 3 of these like this. And they're 6 high. Remember those details we're putting on the side of the building? Well, that's what these are for. They're going to hold those slats that make this building look good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, just had to make sure I did 6. And these are going to go perfect. Okay, so this one's going to go here. Like that. That lines that up like that. And then I'll do it again. Do it like 3 times. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5th one, and number 6. And that one is going to go where? Oh, okay, so it's going to go right here. That's where that's going to go. So I had one here, now I've got one here. And I'll put another one over here. Hang on. I gotta do this one more time. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. And we'll put that one there. You can see where I put that one. It's right here. Then this last one, again, is going to be alternate. So let me do this right. Okay, cool. So what I'm doing is I'm alternating them because this is going to be on the corner. And when you put this on the corner, you want to have it to where it holds the slats on the corner like that. And then this will face out like this. Perfectly, just like that. Then I have these that I'm looking at and my windows. So what I'm going to do, how many do I need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I'm going to put 2, 3, 4, 5, and then there's going to be this down on the bottom, and make sure the windowsill is out towards the flat part of the window, like that. And then you just put these right into place. One goes right there. And I'll do this 9 more times. So there's that one. Oh, see? Almost messed that up. All right. This, and a third one, and a fourth one. Last one is fun. So we got 5 on each window sill, and then put that like that. And there you go. I'm gonna push this out just a little bit. So, just like that. And then each one of these, the way I do it is I drop it down from the top to the bottom. That way you're not fighting it, trying to push it in. It's just gonna sit like that. And as you can see, I'm building the windows. So I'm just gonna keep going. You know what? You know what I'm doing now. I will see you in the next video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching.